Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we're going to show you how to generate images with OpenAI in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. First, make sure you have connected OpenAI and integrations. Create a flow where you will get the name of the image you want to generate and save it in a custom field. On OpenAI action, select Generate Image option. Use the custom field where you save the name of the image you want to generate as the prompt. Select the custom field where the image will be saved. Insert the custom field where the generated image was saved in an image block. Let me show you how. There you have it. You just learned how to generate images with OpenAI in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.